Morning from Banff. Cover with plastic. It's very nice to sit inside there when the weather is windy, so you can see the view without getting cold. Don't forget to take a pictures with the mirror there. The Banff Skywalk. It continues to Sanson's Peak Meteorological Observatory from the summit building.
Human food kills wildlife. Because our food is not good for them, and let them find theirs by themselves.
Don't skip walking the skywalk when visiting. The views are well worth it, and it's a nice leisurely walk. Now we talk about history of the Banff Gondola. Norman Bethune Swanson was one of the early pioneers to ascend Sulphur Mountain. He was a park meteorologist and museum curator who climbed the mountain on snowshoes in order to record the weather observation in 1896. In 1903, a trail was built from the upper hot springs to the summit ridge. Norman used this trail over 1,000 times to observe the weather. His last hike was in 1945 at the age of 84. Now the Banff Gondola is owned by the Banff Jasper Collection.
Just another more steps.
And voila! We did it! Sanson's Peak Meteorological Observatory, for the original man responsible for using the small building to record weather dates for almost 30 years in the early 1900s.
Now we're back to Summit Building again. Here you can find gift shops to restaurants, a Starbucks coffee shop, snack bar, interpretive hiking trails, and an interactive giant compass, which is sure to get the attention of children. For more unique experience at No Heights, visit the Above Banff Theatre. The theatre is a multi-sensory experience sharing the true power of Mother Nature through film and more.
It's time to go back down with the gondola again. The gondola is also suitable for people with limited mobility as it is fully accessible. The main entrance features automatic doors, and gondola cars are capable of accommodating both wheelchairs and passengers inside.
Chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Possible. And we'll dream impossible.
Look! Someone is hiking the mountain.
I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night.
I think this is one of my dreams, to see such a beautiful scenery up from here. I will back here again someday.
And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream.
That's Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel and Bow River.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. See you soon.
Bye bye.